This is part 32 of aptitude test questions with their solutions on simplification. Subscribe this channel to get aptitude test questions with their solutions. You know that aptitude test questions are important for graduates and they are also important for students, as these questions appear on any type of examination, either educational examination or vacancy examination. So you have to know how to solve aptitude test questions. And in my videos, I'll show you step-by-step technique to solve many types of aptitude test questions. Now let's go to the questions. Question number 110. If A, B, C up to Z are natural numbers, then x minus A multiplied by x minus B multiplied by x minus C multiplied by up to x minus Z is A0, B1, C13, D26. What is the value? For given natural numbers A up to Z, then you have to find out the value if x minus A multiplied by x minus B multiplied by x minus C up to x minus Z. Then to get the answer for this question, let us rewrite it as such: x minus A multiplied by x minus B multiplied by x minus C up to x minus Z. Then at a certain point you will get x minus x, this value. Then x minus x means simply 0, and multiplication of any number by 0 is equal to 0. So your answer for this question is choice A. Question 111. What mathematical operation should come at the place of the question mark in the equation? 2 question mark 6 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 11. A, addition, B, subtraction, C, multiplication, D, division. So what operation on the question mark should make this equation true? Okay, we have the equation 2 question mark 6 minus 12 divided by 4 plus 2 is equal to 11. Then in the BODMAS rule, if there are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division in a certain operation, in a certain equation, then the first one to perform is the division. So we have the division here, 12 by 4. Then we can simplify it into 3. That means 12 divided by 4 is 3. Then we can rewrite this equation as 2 question mark 6 minus 3 plus 2 is equal to 11. Again, we can add these two numbers. Then minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus 1. And we can take minus 1 to the right and it becomes 12. So 2 question mark 6 is equal to 12. Then here, let's try different operations which makes this operation true. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So try it by addition first. When you replace the question mark by addition, that means 2 plus 6, it is 8, and 8 is not equal to 12, and addition is not the operation in the equation. Again, continue with that of subtraction. 2 minus 6 is equal to minus 4, and minus 4 is not equal to 12, and subtraction is not the operation in this equation. again try it with division. 2 divided by 6 is equal to 12. Then 2 divided by 6 means 1 over 3, and 1 over 3 is not equal to 12, and division is not the operation in the equation. Again, let us try it with multiplication. So 2 times by 6 is 12. Then 12 is equal to 12, and multiplication makes this equation true. So the operation that should come in place of the question mark on the equation is multiplication. So your answer for this question is choice C. Question 112. You have here 1 plus in a bracket or open bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by open a brace, then 1 plus 1 divided by 1 into or open a parenthesis, then 1 plus 1 divided by 2, then close the parenthesis, close the brace, and close the bracket, then plus 1. A 3 over 2, B 8 over 3, C 13 over 8, D 10 over 8. Then what is the answer for this question? From the rule of body mass, again, if you are given a parenthesis, brace, and brackets, it says that operations in the parenthesis should be performed first, then operations in a brace performed next, and lastly operation in a bracket are to be performed. So the sequences operation in the parenthesis, then operations in a brace, then operations in a bracket. Okay. Using this rule, let's show you, or let me show you how to solve this question step by step. So the first one is the equation. Then let us simplify the operations in the parenthesis. That means the operations in the parenthesis, that means here perform this one first, 1 plus 1 divided by 2, and it becomes 1 plus 1 over 2. Then you can rewrite this equation as such. And 1 into 1 plus 1 over 2 means simply 1 plus 1 over 2. Then you can rewrite again in such a way. So 1 plus 1 over 2 means 3 over 2. Then you can rewrite this one as 3 over 2, and it becomes as such. Okay. Then 1 divided by, here in the braces, 1 divided by 3 over 2 means 1 multiplied by 2 over 3, and you can rewrite in such a way. Then continue, and the equation becomes 1 plus, open the bracket, 1 plus 1 divided by, then open the brace, 1 plus 2 over 3, close the brace, close the bracket, plus 1. Then in a brace we have 1 plus 2 over 3, it means 5 over 2, 5 over 3. Then it can be written in such a way. Again, in a bracket we have these numbers with operations, then it becomes or the first one to operate is the division aspect, and 1 divided by 5 over 3 can be written as 1 times by 3 over 5, Then the elements in the bracket can be written again in such a way as 1 plus 3 over 5, and you have this form of the equation, and at last here we have written it in such a way. Now we have 1 divided by, open the bracket, 1 plus 3 over 5, close the bracket, plus 1. That means we have simplified numbers first in the parenthesis, then in a brace, and what is remained now is only that of the bracket. So we have numbers in a bracket with operation of addition, 1 plus 3 over 5, and it can be simplified as such, and it is 8 over 5. So you can rewrite it again in such a way, and it becomes 1 divided by 8 over 5 plus 1. Now we have addition, and addition and division. So the first one to operate is the division one, and 1 divided by 8 over 5, it means, or can be written in such a way as 5 over 8 plus 1. And 5 over 8 plus 1 means, lastly, 13 over 8. So your answer for this question is choice C. It may be easy if you try it again on a piece of paper. So write this equation in a piece of paper, and again try it by your own letter, step by step, using the technique that I just provided here. Question number 130. It says that find the missing numeral. Open parenthesis, question mark, minus 2763. Then close the parenthesis. Divide by 86 multiplied by 13 is equal to 208. A, 4139. B, 3941. C, 3949. D, 4039. So what is your answer? Okay, let me show you the solution for this question. You have the equation, and from this equation you can rewrite it in such a way. There is parenthesis. If x were known, simply operation in the parenthesis were performed first, then followed by division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction from the left to the right. But here x is unknown. That means there is unknown variable in a parenthesis. So we do nothing, or we perform nothing in a parenthesis, and we simply write numbers in the parenthesis as it is. Then next we go to the other numbers and see the operations. We have division and we have multiplication. So we perform division first. So let us write this in such a way. So we have x minus 2763 over 86. That means we make operation of division first. So we have to divide x minus 2763 by 86, then multiply it by 30. Now we have to eliminate 13 from the left side.